जदि आप 2021 आरआई एग्जाम देइछंती तेबे एई भिडियोटी आपणको पई। मु आपणको समस्त प्रश्नर सठिक उत्तर एठारे देइछि। आपण निजे निजर आंसर मिळे नियंतु एवं केते मार्क रहउछि कैलकुलेशन करि नियंतु। मु आपणको एठारे सेट बी रो क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करूछि। सेट ए बी सी डी सबुरे समान प्रश्न रहिछि, केवल क्वेश्चन नंबर एपट सेपट रहिछि। आपण आपणको प्रश्न पत्र रे जोठी क्वेश्चन देइछि ठीक जगह रे मिळे नियंतु। तेबे चलंतु डेरी न करी भिडियोटी को आरंभ करिवा। आमे भी डिस्कशन करिया पेपर 1 रो पार्ट ए जनरल अवेयरनेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी बोन्स आर देयर इन एन एडल्ट ह्यूमन बॉडी? एर आंसर है सी 206। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, लाइट ईयर इज ए यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ डैश? एर आंसर है बी स्टेलर डिस्टेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विटामिन इज कंसीडर्ड हेल्पफुल टू कीप आइज हेल्दी? एर आंसर है सी विटामिन ए। Question number 4, which of the following is not the ancient name of Odisha? Your answer is D Kosor। Question number 5, the first satellite was launched by which country? Your answer is B Soviet Rus USSR। Question number 6, the first nuclear reactor of India is? Your answer is C Apsara। Question number 7, bleaching powder is made from? Your answer is D lime and chlorine। Question number 8, among the various allotropes of carbon, which of the following is correct? Your answer is D, diamond is the hardest, graphite is the softest। Question number 9, the sun temple at Konark is known as? Answer B Black Pagoda। Question number 10, which of the following disease is related to coronavirus? Answer C both A and B। Question number 11, which virus is responsible for COVID-19? Answer A SARS-CoV-2। Question number 12, who among the following person is known as Kavi Chandra? Your answer is B Kalicharan Patnaik। Question number 13, who was honored with Bharat Ratna in the year 2019? Answer C Pranab Mukherjee। Question number 14, the Lalit Kala Academy is dedicated from promotion of which of the following? Your answer B Fine Arts। Question number 15, Madhubani style of folk painting is the popular painting of which Indian state? Answer C Bihar। Question number 16, next to Hindi, which language is spoken by the maximum number of people in India? Answer B Bengali। Question number 17, which of the poet of famous song Bande Utkal Janani? Answer B Lakshmikant Mahapatra। Question number 18, who is the author of the book My Journey Transferring Dreams into Actions? Answer C Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam। Question number 19, how is the eminent person Tenzin Gyatso popularity known as? Answer C Dalai Lama। Question number 20, who is the winner of Wimbledon Tennis Boys Single Junior Championship 2021? Your answer B Samir Banerjee। Question number 21, which of the following is the largest sweetwater lake in Odisha? Answer A Angsupa। Question number 22, in which year did India win the first gold medal in hockey at Olympic Games before independence? Answer C 1928। Question number 23, in which district of Odisha is the Central Rice Research Institute situated? Answer B Cuttack। Question number 24, in acronym SAARC, what does C stand for? Answer D cooperation। Question number 25, which of the following is the headquarters of World Trade Organization? Answer C Geneva। Question number 26, how many members from Odisha are elected to Lok Sabha? Answer D 21। Question number 27, which of the following countries is not a member of United Nations? Answer B. Palestine. Question number 28. What is Wall Street? Answer B. Stock Exchange of New York. Question number 29. United Nations celebrates International Day of Yoga globally on which date? Answer D. June 21. Which of the following district of Odisha has topped in production of turmeric? Answer C. Kandhamar. Who was the Viceroy of India when Muslim League called for the Direct Action Day? Answer D. Lord Wavell. Question number 32. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer C. Warren Hastings. Question number 33. What were the names of Ashoka's mother, wife and daughter? Answer B. Subhadrangi, Mahadevi, Sanghamitra. Question number 34. Initially, Queen Elizabeth I approved the charter to the East India Company for how many years? Answer D. 15 years. Question number 35. Panchatra was written by whom? Answer B. Vishnu Sharma. Question number 36. Mohenjo-daro is also known as? Answer D. Mound of the Dead. Question number 37. The infamous Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on which festival day? Answer B. Boisakhi. Question number 38. Which among the following dynasty was ruling over Magadha when Alexander invaded India? Answer B. Nandas. Question number 39. The lengthiest classical epic of India is? Answer D. Mahabharata. Question number 40. Odissi dancers in Jagannath temple are called as? Answer A. Mahari. Question number 41. Atmospheric humidity is measured by? Answer D. Hygrometer. Question number 42. What type of rock is coal? Answer C. Sedimentary rock. Question number 43. The instrument used for recording earthquake waves is? Answer D. Seismograph. Question number 44. Which one of the following pairs of seas does the Suez Canal connect? Answer C. Mediterranean Sea to Red Sea. Question number 45. How many numbers of states share their borders with Odisha? Answer C. 4. Question number 46. Which type of climate does India enjoy? Answer A. Tropical. Question number 47. The river Budhabalongo has been originated from? Answer D. Sirispal Hill. Question number 48. Clotting of blood vessel is called? Thrombosis. Answer A. Question number 49. Sindhu Netra satellite has been successfully launched recently using which PSLV? Answer A. PSLV C-51. Question number 50. Which type of mosquito when infected with the virus is the main cause for spreading dengue fever? Answer B. कोउठी कौन भूल अच्छे जदि कमेंट करंतु या परवर्ती प्रश्नर उत्तर पाई परवर्ती भिडियोटी को देखंतु। धन्यवाद। जय जगन्नाथ।